Hello everyone. Today we will talk about failure of accessing your router, your local router. So we start with Microsoft Edge. You can get your router IP from the back of your router. My router IP is 192.168.1.1. If you don't know it, you can get it from your router's back. Okay? So now press enter. You see here the connection for this site is not secure. 192.168.1.1 uses an unsupported protocol. It means SSL protocol. Okay? So all updated browsers, internet browsers, don't support SSL protocol. So what can we do now? It's okay, don't worry. Don't feel panic, don't worry. So now I will tell you how to solve this problem forever. Okay? Now we will install Netscape browser. It's an old browser, but it supports SSL protocol as you see. So Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox browsers now don't support SSL protocol. So now we can go to Google and write Netscape. You see here Netscape browser download. So we can start from anywhere, download Netscape Navigator free. It's free, latest version. We can try this. Now you see free download for PC, personal computer. Press it. Now you see here, let's try. Put it on the desktop. Okay. Save. Start. You see some problems here. Left bottom, you see a problem with my antivirus. So I searched for it and found you a good URL link. You can download Netscape safely. And I will put the link in the description box. In the description box down of the video, you will find the URL link. So you see here, that is a link. Copy and open Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome here in URL bar, Control V, paste, enter. Okay, here Netscape 9006. So we can download it. Download now. You see here at the bottom, here with the mouse, follow the mouse, click here. If the download didn't start automatically, you can click here, click, Let's see. It's still searching for the URL here to download Netscape 9006. So after we download it, we install it on my Windows. Now I'm using Windows 11. You can copy the URL and let's see. I don't know why internet is so slowly. Let's see. Paste. Okay. Yes. Here it started. Desktop. Yes. I think the URL is broken. It's okay, you can download it anytime later. Now we will find here the file. It's about 6 megabyte. So we double click yes and install it on the computer. Next. Now here you choose I accept the terms in the license agreement. Next, standard. Next. Now it's installing. Now you let this launch Netscape Navigator now and click finish. It will start. Now we will see. We will try to open our router safely. You can choose accept this certificate permanently and then okay. Now we will put our router IP. Okay, it's already here. Okay, you see here. Now your router is opened. If it is not working with you, simply, very easy way, choose here tool and then choose options. Okay, and then choose advanced. Then you choose use SSL, click on it. Let's try if the browser doesn't support SSL and TLS, and click OK. Here it's clear, not checked. So let's try another time. Let's try again. We choose here our router IP address and click enter. You see, Navigator can connect securely to IP address for the router because the SSL protocol has been disabled, not enabled. So press OK. Okay, and tools, choose tools, options, advanced, encryption here, and then check SSL, TLS version 1, okay, and then write your router IP address and press enter. Okay, you see? Now it's working safely. Okay? I think it's very easy and free, no any charges, very free browser, but it's old. It's kinda old. So you can open SSL, disable it and enable it as you like. Anytime you want to open your router page, you can use Netscape browser. So you should let Netscape installed only to access your router. Thank you. I hope I introduced something useful for you, and it's very easy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to help you and to provide you a lot of useful things. Thank you. Bye-bye.